Hey guys, it is your girl, Confident Black Girl, and I am here today to show you how to do this super cute Minnie Mouse buns, two puffs, whatever you want to call it style. This is so cute for the summer, for like if you're going to like a festival, if you're going to a parade like Pride, you just want to go somewhere, like Afro punk too. Just if you want to go somewhere and you want to be like a little funky and just cute, throw on some cute glasses, throw on some earrings and get it popping. You can do that with this hairstyle. Or if you just want to be simple and have a little baby girl look with the chain, gloss, earrings or not, whatever, you could dress up or dress down this hairstyle. But one thing is guaranteed, when you do it, you will look cute as hell. I know it's hard for us 4C girls with you know, all these like tight styles that are coming out, and our hair doesn't really do well, you know, like in tight styles. It does so much more better in like protective styles and just leaving it out in like a braid out, twist out, and leaving it stretched. But these type of styles are so cute to do and harmless once in a while. So don't go wearing this hairstyle like every day. So yeah, in this video I show you how to do this super simple, easy to do, but cute nevertheless style in like 5 minutes. So if you want to see how to do this style for yourself or your friend, your grandma, your mom, probably not. Maybe, I don't know, your auntie, whatever. If you want to see how I do this super cute style, then stay tuned.